Hello, champions, and welcome to this session. In this session, let's quickly understand how to install two important tools that we need before you connect from your Windows instance to your Linux instance, Linux EC2 instance, which you have created on cloud. So Windows is your machine, it's your own machine, your own platform, Windows platform, and the Linux is the instance that you have created on cloud. Okay, so we'll just understand how to install those tools. So let me quickly share my screen. So two things to understand is, the first tool that we need is Putty. And Putty is required to log in from Windows to Linux because you understand this is a cross OS platform where your machine is a Windows operating system, while the instance that you've created on cloud is a Linux operating system. Okay, that's the first tool, Putty tool that you need. And there is another software that is called PyttyGen. Now this is used to convert your PEM key. Remember, you downloaded a key .pem. Okay, now your Putty tool does not understand this PEM format. It needs a PPK format to understand it. So, if at all, when you create a new key in the new UI of Amazon, you have option to download the PPK file. So, if you have already downloaded PPK and .pem file for those key, it is good. If not, I presume that you have only PEM file. Now, how to generate PPK out of this PEM? For that, we need PuttyGen. So let's understand how to install these two tools. In the next video, I've shown you how to connect with the Linux instance, but how to get these things ready. So let's install, get downloaded the PuttyGen. So I say download Putty. Okay, and the first thing that you see, you click on that. Okay, and yeah, you download this Putty. Click on this link. The Putty gets downloaded. Okay, or you can use this. You can say 60-bit, 64-bit x86 putty.exe. You can also install MSI version, but I would prefer exe. So click on exe and you can install that exe. And this is a very portable and short version. So let's wait for it to get downloaded. And you can see that's downloaded. And the thing is, if I show you in my download version, you can see there's already this putty version. But the thing is, once you click on this, it's a easy to use software. This is what you should be using. Okay. So in the next video, I'll show you how to use this software but this is the first tool that you need. And I think we are good. We have installed this. The second tool that we need is to download PyttyGen. And this is used to convert PEM file to PPK before we log in the Linux instance using Putty. So let's download PyttyGen. So I'll say download PyttyGen. So gen is for generator, like it's a key generator. You click on PyttyGen download. Okay. And then when you say download PuttyGen on Windows, it will take you down to this download instruction page. Okay. And once you click on this download instruction page or installation download page, you click on this. I'm sorry, I'll stop this. And now you come on this page. So this is a little confusing, but if you scroll down, you'll come across, if I can show you. That's right. Yes. So there's this PuttyGen exe, but again, we want exe which is 64-bit. So you click on PuttyGen exe 64-bit. Okay, and you can see it's getting downloaded. Let's wait, give it a few more seconds. You can see PuttyGen is downloaded. So I'll quickly go back to my downloaded folder, and here we have PuttyGen. So here, this is the PuttyGen or Putty generator. So make sure you have installed these two, you can say tools, which we'll be using. Okay, so PuttyGen is used to convert your .pem to .ppk, and it's used to connect to the Linux instance from Windows. I'll show in the next video. I'll show you how to convert from PEM to PPK. But this is what we had in this session. I hope you have installed these two softwares, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye bye.